In this video, I will show you step by step on how to cancel Grubhub order. So to cancel Grubhub order, all you have to do now, after you open up the Grubhub application on your mobile phone or using your laptop or PC, so just tap on this as can see now your profile at the top left side, this one. So after the right side, after you tap on your profile like this now scroll to down and tap on this section which says, as can see now here it says upcoming order, this one, tap on it. So under this upcoming order, as you can see now in this session, you'll be able to see all the order that you are waiting, that like all the order that you like schedule, they'll come to you. So as you can see now in this session, you'll be able to see the, as you can see now, like this one, as you can see now, all these are, as you can see now, entire week order. So let's say now you order some food stuff or like some sweets from this Grubhub website. So in order for you to cancel the order, all you have to do now, like this one, you'll be able to see the order that is currently running on your account. So you can be able now to see, as you can see now, you'll be able to see a cancel button beside the order. Like this one here, it says add a meal. So under it, like this one, you'll be able to see a cancel button. So by tapping on the cancel button, it will prompt you to confirm that are you willing to cancel this order. So all you have to do now, just tap on OK, and from there they will cancel your order. That's it, they will refund your money that you paid them for the order. That's it, guys, on how to cancel order or how to cancel Grubhub order on your mobile phone or on your PC. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.